Let me show you how to block the sensitive information on the screen of your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. So go into settings, and under settings you want to scroll down and select privacy. Under privacy, tap on peek proof. So tap on peek proof, and here you'll see this option, and what you want to do is toggle it on just like that, and this particular area is going to come up. Now, a couple of things to note here is you have adjustable corners which you can drag up or down to adjust the area that you want to be visible. The other option that you have is to tap on this option here to bring up the opacity slider or to activate the peek proof mode, and use this slider to basically adjust the strength of the area that you want blocked, or the shade, the darker shade of the area that you want blocked, just like that. Now once you're done, you can tap on that X to close that, and then at the top here we have a bar that basically you use to move around this area that is visible, and you can move it around to whatever you want. Now once you've set up how you want peek mode to look, you can now go into your apps and find an app that you want to use using in this mode. So for example, I'll tap on WhatsApp, and if you have maybe a chat that you want to read on your lonesome or privately, you can adjust the corners once again to an area, and then now you can use this slider to go on highlighting areas that you want to read. Now the uses for this, you can get creative with them, but for me, I can maybe say that this option you can use if you want to show someone something on your screen and you don't want the rest of everything else to be visible. If you're showing them a conversation that you had with someone and you only want them to see specific conversations or specific areas without them seeing the rest of the conversation, then you can use this feature to show them that particular section. If it's photos or any other thing and you don't want the rest of your information on your screen to be visible, then you can also use this option as well. Now, like I said, you can always tap on this icon at the top here to adjust the opacity of the rest of the screen that is not covered by this highlighted area, and then you can close that. You can drag to move the conversation as you would prefer, and when you're done using peek mode or this blocking the sensitive information you wanted to block, you can simply tap on this icon to exit that mode just like that, and your screen is going to return back to normal. But that's basically how to use and how to enable and use peek proof mode on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro to block sensitive information on the screen. I hope this was useful. If it was, don't forget to hit a like and subscribe. Take care and God bless.